Hello and welcome back, and welcome to third grade. We are going to be going over every single third grade skill in this absolute Prodigy series. That's what I'm calling it. And so in this video, we are going to be reviewing every single skill that the third grade curriculum has inside of it. And then we will go ahead and continue after this video into fourth grade. We have fourth grade, fifth grade, sixth grade, seventh grade, and eighth grade left. Let's go ahead and get started. So third grade is another big year. It has even a couple more skills than first grade, so this is going to be a longer video. And I believe fourth grade is sort of a revisitation of the third grade skills at a higher level. I'm oversimplifying, don't want to upset any teachers or anything like that, but just kind of giving an idea of what's going on here. All right, so we're finding A with the missing number in the equation. So 72 divided by what is going to equal A? And so if we know our division facts, then we will know that 72 divided by that number is 8. It equals 8. And so A is going to be the same as 8 times what equals 72. If you remember your 9 facts, then it will be 72 divided by 9 is going to equal A. Remember, multiplication and division have the same relationship as addition and subtraction within fact families. So if you've thought of them as fact families, it can be very helpful for that. All right, so here we go. And that's a nice hit there from Smule Nice. And then we just have to finish you off. So we're actually going to go with Bramble Chain here. And wow. Yeah, hit him. It's terrible, Scoville. Okay, let's go ahead and do our chill out. Boom. Alright, so yeah, we are in Bonfire Spire, as you can tell. And we're going to skip this. And then we're going to skip this as well. I am going to be trying to save up some of my magic coin. It's going to take a little while for the magic coin to but I'm actually going to try something here. We do have some treasure tracks that I'm going to be doing to progress through the treasure track and get a few more rewards. So let's collect here, and then take a look at our weeklies too. So weeklies have, let's see, we need to do storm and then water and shadow. I don't think I have anything that's shadow, but I will probably try to get a storm and water spells as well. So maybe we'll take a little adventure over to, or you know what? Probably when we find a water pet or a storm pet. I think I want to keep the storylines intact here. All right, so we are adding. This is not going to be regrouping because 2 and 5 we can add down. So we're just adding down for this for 82 and 15. And so this is going to be 2 plus 5 is 7. 80 plus 10 is going to be 90. So 97 would be our answer. And we can think of this as doing 80 plus 10, and then 2, that's the best 2 ever. 2 plus 5, and then we get 90 for our tens place, 7 for our ones place, which combine, we get that. So that's 97 is going to be our answer. Woohoo! And let's go ahead and chill out should finish this up. Boom! I am so excited by the news that this is a square, and for the news that Starlight Festival is coming back. That is so exciting! I cannot wait. So I've been giddy all day long since hearing that. So we're gonna skip that. Skip that. That's the only festival I haven't played. So really looking forward to it. All right, we're continuing onward here, and then we can finish another treasure track. So let's go ahead and complete this daily, and we're just about done with another one. All right, flip this switch.
Valiant effort, my wizard sidekick.
Thank you, Slurpee. All right, 200 gold.
The plot thickens. Slurpee the Brave has found the ultimate ingredient. While you were off levering, all we gotta do is add it to the chef's food.
Okay.
We're close now, wizard. Just one lever left. Head to Outer Slime Burbia and give it a pull.
Sounds good. All right, we are heading to Outer Slime Burbia. Goodbye, Slurpee. Open this up. And I think we want to get in as many battles as possible here. So if I see monsters, we're probably going to get into a battle with them. I need a storm pet. So I think we're going to try to get this guy right here. Let's get this Evolotus. All right. Now, I don't think Flash is going to finish off Evolotus, so let's go ahead and do that. That'll do some good damage against our Luminite here. Goodbye, Squibble. That's a good hit by Evolotus. Let's go ahead and capture him now. Evolotus should be free. All right, so we are regrouping here. 8 plus 2 equals a 10. And so, oh, not the base blocks. We're going to do our base 10 blocks. There we go. So we have 10 plus 10 for the 12. 2 plus 8 equals a 10, and so we are going to end up with 30 here. 2 and 8 is one way to make 10, and then a 10 and a 10. And so for our, let's get back to our pens, 2 plus 8, 10. Ooh, that's cool how it moves. And then we're going to add that up over to here because this is a 10, so we have to put it in the tens place. So we have to regroup it over to there, which is going to be 30. Ooh. All right, and come to me, Evolotus. Yes, it's free. Ooh. Nice. All right, we'll go ahead and claim you. Yeah, my Prodigy cards are up on Etsy now if you are interested. All right, this is adding down. 2 plus 7 is 9. 5 and 4 is 9. So we do not need to regroup at all. So we're just adding down. So for our 10s place, or for our 1s place, we're going to have 9. 5 and 50 plus 40 is going to be 90. So that's going to go over there. 400 plus 400 is going to be 800. So our answer is 899. All right, and I'm going to do Cold Snap. I don't know if it's going to take you away. If I can get you Luminite too, I'll get you, but I think I just... Ooh, nice. So we're going to get Luminite and see if we can work on this treasure track a little bit today. So we're going to swap out our pets here. Luminite is also free, which is super cool. And he's our new guy. All right, let's claim him. Nice, nice, nice. All right, let's go ahead and skip. Skip. All right, dun dun dun. Continue. Let's go to our treasure track here. Get our daily for collect, and then we're gonna go ahead and add these guys. Hopefully, we can go ahead and start leveling them up so we can get some pet spells taken care of. Let's see, we have to go over here to our pets. And all of these guys are level up, so I can add them, but this one's only going to be level 20. The Luminite's only going to be level 20 as well, so that's not really useful. I'm going to have to add Cuttlefin and then Forest Neek in order to get some hearts, so I think I'm going to go ahead and do that for the treasure track. And let's go ahead and add you to the team as well. And then I have to wait until I have like maybe 90, 95 of the magic coins so that I can get a pet that I can evolve all the way up to level 100. So these battles are going to be a little bit tough here in Bonfire Spire, but we'll do what we can do. All right, so 2 plus 9 is going to equal to 11, which that is, we are going to need to regroup that. Okay, so, and I'm going to go ahead and just take these out as well. Now, 9 and 2, they will combine to 11. And so 11 we can represent as 110 and 11. Now when we have the 10, we have to put that in the correct place. We have to regroup it into the tens place. So we bring that up over here and we notate that change by showing that we've moved it from here over to here. And so now we're ready to add 5 plus 3 plus 1. We don't need to regroup into the hundreds, so we are okay. So it is going to be 491. 491. Ooh. All right, let's go ahead and do our flash here. Get some water spells going here. And then this, we are not regrouping either. This is just going to add right straight down. So our answer is going to be 999. Ooh. All right, Aqua Burst. Hopefully it hits. And it does. Boom. And then we'll do Starbit here. And battle is over with. Alright, so we got some stars there, which is good. I don't know how many stars we'll be able to get. There will be a time. That rose is pretty cool. There will be a time where I sort of run out of the ability to level anybody up. And I don't know if I purchase monsters. Maybe if I purchase monsters, then they'll be level 1. Alright, so you have to come on over here. I have a treasure track complete as well. I'll take a look at that. Nice hit there. Alright, so we are regrouping here. This is going to be just our ones place though. So 8 plus 7, that is going to be 15. So you have to regroup that into the tens place, and then 60 plus 20 is 80, plus 1 is 9, plus 10 is 90, and so 195 is going to be our answer. Ooh. So I always do like an overview check just to see if we're if I'm working with regrouping or I'm not, and that sort of speeds up the math when I get to it. It's not like a surprise every single aisle. Oh, do I have to regroup? Do I have to regroup? And so that makes it easier for me to compute. Which of these, the following is a square? That is going to be our square. Ooh. And we'll do Leaf Burst there. Getting off a plant spell, nice. Ooh, man. Don't hit me. Nice, we needed that fumble. Alright, let's just see where you land, Cold Snap. Is that enough? It is. So we can focus all of our energy on this Ashlet, which is great. Alright, the similar shapes look the same. So similar shapes look the same. Wow, it's like I read it beforehand. And can be a different color or rotated. These are similar shapes. Those are not. Okay? So C is going to be our similar shape. And let's hopefully multi-splash hits a couple times here. 2 hits, not bad. And we're not going to throw broccoli. We're going to hit with a bop. Love the Tweety Bird wings, and goodbye. See you guys after this battle. Alright, hopefully Aqua Burst hits. There's no excellent water spells, so water is always kind of a what's going to happen here sort of feel. Alright, so we'll be getting some more stars from this battle, which is great. And continue. Now we are going to go up here and battle this Ember, and we got another treasure track. Cool. That's our weekly. Play 20 minutes on the weekend. Awesome. And so for season, still have 3 days until that stat hits. That's awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and grab this and get back into the thick of things. All right, come on up here for Ember. All right, so Sprite evolves into Sarazig. Ember evolves into Lyosin. So for these guys, I'm gonna have to evolve a pet. I have two 90-degree angles, 0-degree angles. That is false. 0 90-degree angles. All right, so these would not be good pets to catch because I don't have the magic coin. I'll show you how many magic coin I have once I wrap this up. I have, let's see, square. I have 4 sides of equal length. That is true. Squares do have 4 sides that are equal length. That's a defining attribute of being a square. Okay, that made contact. That made contact as well. Pretty good contact there. And a fumble. We needed that. And another fumble. All right, so flash. Let's see what this does. Okay, we're not out of it yet, but we do need a really good hit here. You know what we're going to do? We're just going to tail whip you. Hopefully it lands. There we go. So now we're just down to 1. We got the fumble, guys. That is awesome. All right, so total number of students. Each smiley face represents 3 students. So we're going to do, this is 5, this is 10. 10 times 3 is going to be 30 students. Ooh. Yeah, you do have to double check to make sure how many students you're looking at the icons correctly. All right, so this looks messy, right? This is a little bit like whoa, but I'm double checking each of our place values to see if there's any regrouping. There's not any regrouping, which is awesome. So I can just add right straight down, which makes it easier so I can sort of take off a level of like, oh man, there's so much to do. So I always double check when I start out a math problem because that allows me to go ahead and approach it from the easiest possible way. Like, if we think about it, it's easy to see, and then that's our answer too, with a bunch of 6s and then a 7. All right, Aqua Burst, please land. Nice. Dance party. Oh yeah. Feel the groove. All right, we're going to continue onwards. Let's come on up this way. Ooh, look at that, a mystical. I wonder how much mystical is. Let's see. Probably 190. Oh, I was going to check my my coins, wasn't I? All right, so we are going to go ahead and let's go for a mystical just to see how much she is. I really like the horses. The horses are quite fun. Not the best pets by any means, but they're extremely sturdy pets, and they're fun to play. Wow. Snoots, get yourself under control. All right, so they were definitely going after me. There are 654 spruce trees and 587 pine trees in a forest. How many trees are there altogether? All right, so I always stack my math. There's different ways to do it, but I like to stack. And so 587. Now you can see 4 plus 7 is going to make 11. I don't know why I make my pluses like 4s. And so we are going to be regrouping for this one. So 4 plus 7 is going to be 11. Now we have to move the 11 over here, so our math works easier. So 80 plus 50 is 130. 130 plus 10 is going to be 140. So we have to move our 100 over to the hundreds place. And so we have 600 plus 500 is 1100. 1100 plus 100 is 1200. You can do 6 plus 5 plus 1. As long as in your brain you're thinking of that place value holding situation there. 1241 is going to be the answer. All right, and let's toss some cabbage here. Hopefully it hits everybody. It does. Now we'll be able to see mystical. And we'll probably be doing this battle again, I feel. There are a total of 12 crayons split evenly into 2 different boxes. How many crayons are in each box? So we can think of this as, this is a good way to talk about division. And so we have 12 crayons that we're splitting into 2 boxes. They're split evenly. So if we split them evenly, how many are in each box? Each box is going to have 6. So it's a way to go ahead and add or subtract, manipulate our, here we go. Yeah, 190 for that. So the ones that you can level right straight up to level 100 are 190. It'll take a little while if you're a new player, but magic coins will start to come. And magic coins have just been introduced. I don't think they're fully in game yet. So hopefully there will be some adjustments, and when they're live, hopefully new non-members will get, I don't know, at least 300 or 400. From the graph, determine how many more people picked hockey than soccer. 15 people picked hockey, only 1 picked soccer. So 15 minus 1 is going to be 14, a difference of 14. All right, let's go ahead and do a star, but I don't think it's going to finish off Snoots here. I need Snoots to fumble. And goodbye. We got a fumble. Okay, so we have to finish Snoots off. Let's use our Aqua Burst here. There we go, that hit. That's awesome. And goodbye. All right, so we are going to be doing that battle next time. And again, let's go ahead and take a look and see how many. Yeah, so we have 60 magic coin. I do want to save up to a pet that we can go ahead and grab that we can level all the way up. That'll be useful. I should have started off with that right when we began. I was a little bit frivolous with my spending. We have 370 hot. So let's go ahead and take a look and see. This is going to be a heart bonus, and we can purchase this. So let's go ahead and buy it. We'll wear it. And then come on over here. Let's see. Here we have this armor, which is the bonfire robes. Very cool. 210 we have, so we'll buy that and then wear that. And then as far as boots, we can get these guys, and they are 70, so we don't have enough, but we'll pick those up so we can move a little bit faster here, and hopefully this helps us. Let's go ahead and battle these guys first. We have a Cogmite here. How many fewer people picked vanilla than chocolate? That's 2 and 9, so 9 minus 2. That's going to give us a difference of 7. You can actually just count up the lines as you go, and you can get that same answer. All right, so I think I'm going to go for the Cogmite first, if that hits. Okay, that is super weak. Okay, what is the least popular flavor in the graph? It looks like chocolate and strawberry have tied for the least popular flavor. Mint is more popular for ice cream? Let me know in the comments if you enjoy minty ice cream. If you like minty ice cream, let me know in the comments. And boom. All right, I love the sparks. The sparks look so like in your face. Okay, and here we go. What is the least popular color in the bar graph? Orange is the least popular color. Sorry, buddy. And we'll throw Leaf Burst over here. Hopefully that finishes off Cogmite. Ooh, it does not. Hopefully Flash will. Let's see. We're going to get lucky here. Yes. All right, so we're still in this. All right, still in this. Throw Cabbage at him. And 52 more off of our Bash Bot here. How many green cars are in the parking lot? 8 green cars in the parking lot. That actually said are there in the parking lot. So And Cold Snap. Is it enough? It is enough, yes. Alright, so we got that battle out of the... Not out of the way, but we completed the battle. Alright, and we're going to continue onward and upward. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so she is going to come at us again. And same lineup as well. Ooh. Now we can avoid this battle, but I do need to get my wizard level up high enough to go ahead and roll through this, because with the pets, it's sort of you're not able to progress past that. So in the graph below, how many people picked strawberry? Strawberry, 20 people picked strawberry. Wow. This is I think kind of more normal. Maybe vanilla and chocolate if you swap them around. Chocolate might be, in my experience, the most popular flavor, but strawberry is definitely a big one. All right, we're just going to do an AoE. Hopefully Bubble Volley hits everyone. AoE stands for Area of Effect, which means it'll hit everyone. And that one didn't. All right, so we are not looking very good here. We're going to go ahead and do Flash. There we go. All right, complete the division sentence that the following images represent. Okay, so in each of these colored boxes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So 9, this is division. We have 9 stars per group. If we add up all of these, we are going to get, there's 3 in a row, 3 in a column, then 9 groups of stars. And so the total stars are actually going to be 81 if you counted all of them. 9 across, 9 up. 81 divided by 9 is equal to 9. And that's where really understanding the multiplication helps with your understanding. Yeah, we are not going to be level 15. Right, we might have to try to come back to this battle. Boom. Alright, we will get him next time, won't we? Okay, so we're going to avoid this battle. Open this up. There we go. And then let's pull the lever.
Valiant effort, my wizard sidekick.
Thank you, Slurpee. Candle Knight Helm. I'm going to take a look at...
We reached the end of our quest. Slurpee the Gallant and his faithful wizard companion, against all odds, drained the lava to the final level.
Woohoo!
Only one more obstacle in their path.
Uh-oh, what is it?
I, forgot. I left my ingredients somewhere in Slime Shanty. Help?
Oh, of course you did. Slurpee, of course you did. Alright, we are heading out over to the shanty in order to get that. Let's go ahead and make sure that our armor is sufficient here, and then we're going to continue to try to get some of our quests done with our stars here, and then also our 1,800 stars for the weekly, and then season is 3,600 stars. So we're going to do our best to try to sort of get all of that taken care of so we can progress and then maybe purchase another. There's 30 here as far as the magic coin, so hopefully we'll be able to go ahead and level up a few more as we go through this. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and see if we can find these cooking supplies as we head on down. We're following the path, and we are heading up this way. Alright, over. Ooh. Hello, that just popped right up there, didn't it? Alright, any more monsters? Alright, we have a Sarah Zig, so we'll go ahead and battle that. So yeah, once the level situation gets straightened out, I think that it's going to be extremely helpful for us to go ahead and collect the pets. I think a really good resolution for that is going to be having to get your pet all the way up and then de-evolve it to the level that you want to do, or I'm not 100% sure, but like, it's for right now playing through as a non-member character. It's a little tough. Mike's family orders 10 pizzas for dinner. Each pizza is cut into the same number of slices, and there are 100 slices in total. Complete the division sentence below to show how many slices there are in one pizza. So one of the strategies you can do for situations like this, if you're not thinking about the multiplication, this would take a long time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm just going to show it to you. For lower questions, it's usually easier. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you can go through counting on and on and on. That's one of the things that you can do. But I think an easier thing to do would be coming on over here, using some base 10 blocks to go ahead and play around with. So there's 10 pizzas. And then you'll see that the 10 pizzas equal this over here. 100 divided by 10 is going to be 10. So 100 divided by 10, that is going to be 10. Focusing on the multiplication really, really helps with division and that automaticity. If you're using your fingers within 3rd grade, as far as a way to not like the abacus system or other things like that, it's going to be challenging. All right. So triple hit there from Ashlitz, Tribeak, and Fumble. All right, Sarah Zig misses us. We're still kind of in this. Chandler's dad worked 28 hours over 4 days last week. He worked the same number of hours each day. So we have 28, and then he worked for 4 days. So what can go in from 4 to 28? We can think of, let's say, we'll do 5. So for the 4 days, 5, 5, 5, 5, and then 20 minus 28 would leave 8 left over. 8 I know goes into 4 2 times. So 2, 2, 2, 2, and then that would be 7 hours worked per day. Those are the 4 days right there. That's another way to sort of figure it out as well. And I hope multi-splash hits a couple of times because we are not looking very good here. All right, we're close. So I just need to finish off this star bit, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I hit it. Or this Sarah Zig, so I'm going to use star bit. And boom. Please fumble. All right, not too big a hit there. One more round for our all-out attack. 800 plus 200. So if we put 80, let me go ahead and reset that. 80 is first, so 80 plus 200. Once everything is lined up in place value, we can see there's no regrouping, so 200, add down the 10s, add down the 1s. So 280, and then we have to type in 280 is our answer. That's what the 100s, 10s, and 1s make. All right, so we're going to see if Cold Snap will finish off one of these guys. I don't think it's going to. It is not. Okay, we got a fumble there, so we are definitely ready for our AOE, or for our all-out attack, which is awesome. And we won! Nice. All right. So there we go. We're still gaining hearts, which is going to help us as we move through with the continue. All right, we got those.
Brilliant effort, my wizard sidekick.
Thank you, Slurpee. 200 gold.
It's almost time for the royal dinner. Take the ingredient to the royal kitchen and put it in the royal stew.
Will do.
Watch out for the chef, though. He's kind of a grump.
Sounds good, sounds good. We will do that. Okay, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the shop, though, see if there is anything else we can purchase. So that's going to be 75. Sorry about that phone sound. And then That's level 75 as well. So as far as boots, this is, oh, we have 2 more battles. When we have 50 hot hots, we'll be able to open that. All right, we're heading down here. And then let's head right straight up here. I think there's a box we can open. There is. And then when I come into this room, I always like to, all right, 50 gold. Come on over here. Remember, there is the hidden Billyfoot pops up right over here. As long as you're hidden, he'll keep on popping up. Love that. All right, and we are off. Okay, let's get into this battle. This is a Hob. Oh, Puck. Sorry, Puck. Hob is electric. It's electric. And data points, Randy has 12 numbers. Rianne has 16. Ulysses has 18, which is going to be this line. This is 20, this is 16. So that would be half, so that's 18. Ted and Moises have 2. All right, we are going to go ahead and do Aqua Burst. Good hit there. And complete the division sentence. So this is division, so we're starting out large and then we're going small. So 6 is our whole divided by, and 3, we have 3 rows equals 2 columns. Ooh. All right, I think Cold Snap will probably give us the best damage. I don't know if it's enough. It's only 90, so I should have gone for Starbit. That's okay. Puck fumbled. Hopefully Tail Whip lands. That should finish it off. It does. Awesome, awesome. All right, here we go. Are we going to get a treasure track right now? I kind of have a feeling like it's going to be a treasure track. Nope, not yet. All right, still haven't gotten those hot hots. I think one more battle and we'll be able to go ahead and get the boots. Speed us up a little bit. All right, these are all level 54. This is going to be a really tough level for me to sort of perform at because of the limitations of the hats. 20 divided by 5 is going to equal to 4. And practicing these is extremely helpful. So yeah, make sure that you're practicing and then thinking about it in reverse if division is something that's new. Thinking about it as the opposite, the inverse of multiplication. Multiplication backwards. All right, hit a couple. And then 343 plus 979, we have to figure out this. So this is like, if this was 3 plus what equals 9, that would be the same process that we're doing for for like first grade, second grade, but the numbers are just extremely larger. But the process as far as the addition is the same. We have to take away this part from the whole to figure out what the other part is. And so that's really what we're going to be focusing on. So we're going to do 979 minus 340. Oh, geez. Time to rewrite that. 979 minus 343. And so we don't have any regrouping, so it's going to be 636 is going to be our answer. And so that's going to be the other part that equals the whole of 979. All right, and let's throw a cabbage at Arbite back here. We hit. And a fumble. All right, I want to finish off our Hyphon. They can hit pretty challengingly, so I want to go ahead and see if we can finish that off. Which shape has the same perimeter as this one? So perimeter is the outside of the shape. It's all the way around. Perimeter is the outside. So if you're putting in a fence, or if you are putting in a wall, or you want to know the trim of something, then that's what you're going to be using perimeter for. It's just the outside. So what I like to do, we can put the 12 here. We can put the 15 here. And we can add 15 plus 15 is 30. 12 plus 12 is 24. Well, that's not a 4. And then we add that up, and then that's going to be 54 is the perimeter that we're looking for. You can also do, because we need to find these two, this is a, these are all right angles, so we can do 15 plus 12 is 27. These are two different ways, but it's the same result, and you're doing the same thing. 27 times 2 is going to be 14. And then 40 plus 10 is 50, 54. I add these two, and then I multiply by 2 is how I do it. But if you do it this other way, that is great. Wherever you are, that's great. So, but these two sides have to equal 27. 9 plus 7 is going to be 16. Sorry, 16. Hold on. And then 14 plus 13 is going to be 27. So this is the answer right here. That total is going to equal 54. Woohoo! All right, hopefully Starbit finishes up Hyphon. No. Goodbye. At least it went after that. All right, Cabbage is not strong enough, but it's something. Then I'll be getting my AoE back if I don't have the All Out, so the AoE should be able to go ahead, and All Out is next round. Hyphon is gone, so we are safe. All right. And this is a quadrilateral. Yes, quadrilateral have shapes that have 4 sides. A quadrilateral means a shape with 4 sides. So yes, it is a quadrilateral. All right, let's do the all-out attack because we have the all-out attack. And boom. Nice. Dance party. Awesome, awesome. Continue onward. We'll open up this chest. Alright, 200 gold. I think I should be able to buy the better shoes now, so let's go ahead and come on over here, get our boots on, and 70, we have 70 exactly, so let's go ahead and buy that, wear that, and then we'll continue onwards. Alright, we'll open this up. Dragon staff, not now. Let's do a little armor check here just to make sure. So that's the best hat. Outfits, that would be minus 34, minus 56. Bonfire robes. Okay, so that's all. And then I think we're good as far as all of our other things. Queen goo-lia.
Guard, inform this wizard that I will not be addressing their presence.
The Queen will not pay attention to you. I suggest you move along.
Good old guard slime. Alright, this is fun.
Oh no! Looks like we'll need to slip by Cebellini to get to the pot.
Oh no.
If you step into his circle of vision, he'll catch you and kick you out.
Okay.
Hey, look there! There's a cauldron you can use to hide.
Okay.
Press the button above your head to hide.
Sounds good.
Walk around to take off the cauldron.
Alright, you guys ready?
What is this? Get out of here. I am creating art.
Let's see if we can do it again. He's gonna come back.
What is this?
Oh no, he got me again. There we go.
Valiant effort, my wizard sidekick.
Thank you, Slurpee.
I bestow upon thee the gift of fire.
Nice. Alright, basic fire relic.
Well, we did it. Now all there is to do is attend the royal dinner and and take all the credit.
Sounds good, Slurpee.
You have to go for me, though. Kids aren't allowed there. Dad says the queen has no table manners.
Uh-oh. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Cebellini's still dancing. 30 hot hots from that one. All right.
Let the royal dinner commence.
Here it is, guys.
Ooh, look at this. It smells divine, Cebellini, as always.
She's gonna love it.
Yes, madame. I live to cook.
What is this, Cebellini? Raisins?
But, madame, I assure you,
You have broken the royal rule! No raisins in the queen's dishes!
Uh-oh.
You have left me no choice, Cebellini. You are fired!
No.
what? Fired? Me? This is an outrage.
It is.
You have not heard the last of Chef Cebellini Carpaccio.
Uh-oh. I think we've made him angry.
I think that's our cue to leave. Fast!
I agree.
Valiant effort, my wizard sidekick.
Thank you. All right, 200 gold here.
We broke a royal rule. I didn't know she didn't like raisins. They don't tell kids anything.
They do not tell kids anything at all. You are correct 100%, Slurpee.
Oh no! What are we gonna do? Without her dinner, the queen is gonna be real angry.
Uh-oh.
Looks like another quest for Slurpee the Wise and his loyal companion.
Sounds good.
I got a plan, and it's a good one.
Sure it is.
Head to the Three Lovers and collect my cooking supplies. I always leave them there.
All right, sounds good. So we have to get his 3 cooking, or the 3 levels. We have to get his cooking supplies. Let's go ahead and find out where those are. All right, making our way up over here. And where are we going? Over this way. And then we're going to grab the others. I don't know if monsters are going to be respawning here.
What's this?
Uh-oh.
You again.
Here they are.
You're becoming quite the pest, you know.
Thank you.
Let's see how you do against the ancient power of the dinosaurs.
So these battles are going to get increasingly more difficult to complete, so we'll see how we do with this. All right, so we're battling the dinosaurs now. And yeah, having a pet that's only level 18 is going to be insanely difficult. So let's see what happens here. All right, so complete the division sentence that the following image represents. So division, remember we start out with the largest number in 3rd grade. So our largest number is going to be these added up: 6, 12, 18. 18 divided by 3 groups equals 6 in each group. Woohoo! And I think I'm gonna go for Pippet here first and see if we can go ahead. If we can knock Pippet out, hopefully we'll be able to... Oh, without with a hit like that though, man. Wow. Alright, he's gone. Alright. So we'll try this battle 2 times. Hopefully we can get by it. So Monica, she spent... The bill was $12 for everyone. She went out to lunch with 2 friends, which means there are 3 people, and each person would have paid $4. 3 times 4 is 12. We can multiply backwards to double check our work. I think we have to do that. Hope I get some fumbles, a lot of fumbles, and I'm here, got a miss. Hopefully some fumbles come, and yep, that's it. Okay. So I think we have to rely on fumbles for this one, and then got a treasure track. Let's see what we got for that. Water spells, which is going to be a season. So we finished the water spells, which is nice. And then storm spells we need to do. And we are still working on our stars, which is kind of the main... am I not getting stars for them? I'm stuck at 350. So let's go ahead and see where we are as far as our pets and our team. He should still be getting stars, but they're not actually getting... Their levels aren't increasing. That's weird. We can level it up to 35. Why aren't they gaining experience? That is really weird. I did not notice that until now. And he only has to level up to that 20, so let's see what happens.
For more, eh? You don't know when to quit. Those keystones are ours.
We'll see. That's really weird. The pets are not gaining experience. Alright, so that knocks him out. And that hits all of them. Alright, so we are using expanded form. I love expanded form. This breaks it down to the place value. So 200 plus 50 plus 0. There's a 0 in the ones place. And this is going to be 700 plus 50 plus 0. I've seen that using expanded form really, really helps students to understand that struggle with regrouping. And for larger numbers, it's extremely effective for building up confidence. I'm a huge fan of the expanded form. And then 900 plus 100 is going to be 1,000 as we bring this back down into here, which that shows 250 plus 750 equals 1,000. So if you're struggling with larger addition forms, definitely go ahead and check out expanded form and utilize that. I think it's amazing. We've got a miss there. That's key. We're gonna have a lot of misses here. We missed them. Not too bad of damage there. Fumble. Nope, no fumble, but we're okay. All right. So the missing number, what divided by 1 equals 6? Well, if it's divided by 1, it's an identity statement, which is just saying that there are 6 things in, or there are 6 groups that have one thing in them. There's one group that has that contains 6 things. All right, so we're gonna do a star bit here. And we're close now. We still need a bunch of fumbles. I'm going to do Tail Whip and just see what happens here with Pipit. That's enough. Awesome. Okay, so we're doing better this time. All right. Fumble. You're still in it. You're still in it. Great. So now we have to go ahead and bring them down a little bit. Hopefully I survive to the next round. If I do, then I'll be able to do my all-out attack. All right, so what is the area? So area is multiplying. So 3 inches by 8 inches. If you need to know the area of the notepad, what you're going to do is 3 inches by, let's see. Oh, the base of the shape, yeah, 3 times 8 is going to equal 24. There we go. 8, 16, 24 would be skip counting. And that skip counting that you started working with in first grade, that really still helps with multiplication and developing better automaticity with it. All right, so it looks like we are going to beat this one now, which is awesome. And we are regrouping here. So 6 plus 9 is going to be 15. So you have to put the 10 in the 10's place. And then 9 plus 1 is going to be 10. And then 10 plus 3 is going to be 13. So 135 is our answer. Woohoo! An all-out attack, is it enough? It should be enough for both of them, but if not, Stampede we can deal with. Awesome. Second time's the charm. Now let's see if my pets get... It says plus 45, so max level for that, and then there we go. Okay, maybe they were getting experience. I don't know. We're going to skip this. We can evolve. You know, if we evolve this It's only 25 to evolve to... Oh, that's Forest Color, though. We'd have to evolve it again. So we're going to skip you. Awesome. Okay.
Not again! Master! Master! Wait for me!
Goodbye, Pippet. All right, we made it through. That's awesome. Have to collect 2 more pots and pans. Ooh, hot pot. Wonder if hot pot is 190 or 195 as well. Let's see. Let's see what hot pot would run us. All right, hopefully this hits. So this is 5 plus 2. The 2 plus 5 is going to be, oh, wrong box. 7 here. So we're not regrouping, so we're going to put a 0 there. 0 plus 4 is going to be 4. Not regrouping again. 0. 6 plus 1 is going to be 7. And when I say 6 plus 1, I mean 6 hundreds plus 100s equals 700s. Ooh. All right, and then Aqua Burst. Hopefully it lands. It does. So let's go ahead and see the cost of a hot pot. Now, this is brand new that non-members can catch member pets. I expect for some of the issues with this system to be worked out so that it is a little bit more playable for non-members, but we will see what happens on what the solutions that Prodigy comes up with. Okay, so I'm looking down here. I don't see anything that we need to regroup, so our answer is going to be 6,599. Woohoo! If you just double check to see what it would 160 for hot pot. Okay. So there we go. Boom. And then let's see. I think multi-splash should be able to finish it off if we get 2 hits. 1 hit is enough. Good, good. It's good 1 hit was enough because that is all we got. Those sparks are so cool. Alright, we are going to go ahead and do our star bit here. And we're just chiseling away. Click on the graph where you would look to see the spinner results. This would be the result of the spinner. There we go. Okay, tail whip will probably do us better. And big one, but we're okay. And all out attack, awesome. What does the value of each line on the scale increase by? I believe the lines are considered this, not the small ones. Let's click on here just to double check. Since there are lighter lines between the numbered lines on the y-axis, the value of each line must increase by less than the scale of 5. Alright, so I'm thinking it's 1. Let's go ahead and see. It's 1, okay. So yeah, when you see questions 1 by 1 by 1, because we're only doing 1 question per skill, sometimes you kind of have to figure them out. And as we get into 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and then into 8th, it's going to take a little bit more time to just sort of really understand what they're asking. And it's a good strategy to go ahead and spend that extra little bit of time to make sure. All right, here we go. And oh, we're going up. We're going up. And then this a ways. Oh, they're up here. So we're going dart a ways. And we have a batter bot. Batter bot and a bit bot. All right. Cold snap. Let's see what it does. Boom. And then equal tail whip. Alright, so we should finish the batter bot off if our forest sneak is not. If that doesn't happen to the forest sneak. Okay, so here we are. Which addition sentence represents 23? 10 plus 10 plus 3, that would be 20, and then 3. The other one would be 30, and then 13. All right, so I think Flash will finish you off. Let's find out. It does. Okay, so we are adding through decomposition, which is a really fun thing to do. So you have 361. So this is sort of like expanded form. So 300 is what we're adding first. And then we're going to go to the tens place, which is 60. And then we're going to add our 1. Ooh, that gets us comfortable breaking apart and then reassembling our place values, which allows for more flexibility in math. If you've watched my channel long enough, you know that flexibility in math and in thinking is something that I feel is just so extremely important. So yeah. And there we go, we won. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We're gonna skip this. And we're going to continue here. Ooh, we have a new one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go to one of these shops to see if we can continue to work on this. Let's take a look and see what water pets are here. And so we have, let's do that. Your ruckus, you are ice storm, and then we have water here. We can't buy it because we don't have any of the currency. So let's go ahead and come over to, we definitely have, yeah, let's do Firefly Outfitters and then see what we can buy here. We don't have enough currency for these dudes either. So we are going to be coming over to Hot Threads. There we go. Come on over. And then we'll get our Saplet. Ooh, Riverneek is 165. Okay, so we will probably go for a Riverneek, but I think I'll get the Saplet first. Hopefully they start out as level 1. That's what I'm hoping for, is that we'll see them start at level 1. All right, we got that. So we're not. You know what? Let's go ahead and battle. So there's definitely a lot more strategy now. If they start at level 1, it will be very, very good for our battle pass. There we go. All right, the addition rule, 330 to 332, we are adding 2 to that. We can double check all the way down. Woohoo! I think I'm actually going to do that. And then I'll follow up with the AoE, and that should finish him off. And I'll go ahead and hit you. I don't think that that's going to be enough to finish you off this next time around. But let's see. We need some fumbles here, guys. Goodbye, goodbye. Okay, so Flash should finish off Luminite. It does. We need some fumbles. That was not a fumble. That also was not a fumble. Alright, we will get him next time. Alright, come on back up over here. And try again. Okay, so got a hit there. They're a little bit lower this time. Add 1, so 330 to 331. 350, add 1 is 351. Alright, we're going to start out with our Flash here. Hopefully we get some hits in. Alright, there we go. We got a hit coming right here. Which number is greater than 860? 870 is greater, 830 and 670 are less than. And who do we want to go for? I think we're going to go for you, Truckle, and we miss. Prickle hits us. And then which number is less than 1070? 1090, 1130 is more. 900 is less than 1070. Woohoo! Okay, let's throw a leaf burst at you. There we go. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, so we have to finish off Luminite before Luminite hits. There we go. And then I should have actually tossed that to Truckle. Got a fumble? Got a fumble, nice. Alright, and we're going to throw some cabbage at you, Truckle. Yeah, I would have been able to finish off the Truckle. That was and then you hit me, man. Okay, so 3 divided by 1 is 3. Remember, the divided by 1 is an identity statement or just really... And misses, wow. Just really sort of describing what is in the group. 32 divided by 4, that is going to be 8. All right, finish off Truckle. So I think we've got this in the bag. It's going to take a little while longer. Hopefully this Aqua Burst lands. It does. 2 more hits, I think. 2 more hits. And another fumble. Thank you. All right, Leaf Burst. Chiseling away here. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And then Tail Whip. And we're good. That landed. That's awesome. All right, level up. Dance party. We're going to skip. All right. Continue. All right, and down we come. Kind of slid there. Did you see it? All right, up to the top. And where are we going? We're going this way. Hello, Merchant. Hello, Slurpee. All right, let's go ahead and get in this battle here. Embern. And then we have Puck. 56 divided by 8. That is going to be the same as 7 times 8 equals 56. So if you understand the parts, you understand the wholes, then you are able to go ahead and get stuff sort of straightened out. All right, we are going to actually do something different. Instead of sending our water that way, we're going to see if we can finish off Embern before Embern can even go. And that worked out for us, which is awesome. So here we are, 27 divided by 9. That is going to be 3. And just kind of... Okay, so Leaf Burst, I believe, is weak, so we're going to bop him. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And then we're going to go ahead and do Cold Snap. I think that might be... Yeah, that was weak. Okay. He resisted that. And then which fraction is the greatest? So 4 fractions. We have the top of the fraction is called the numerator. And the bottom of the fraction is called the denominator. Numerator and denominator. If anybody ever wants me to write an essay on here, please just let me know. I'm fantastic at it. And we're going to take out our fraction bars just to see sort of the relationships between the numbers. So the smaller the larger the denominator compared to the top, the smaller the fraction. So we're going for the greatest, which means we want to find the one that has the greatest numerator compared to the denominator. So 59, 60, 58, 61 over 9 is going to be the greatest. Ooh. And there we go. Awesome, we got it. We're gonna skip that. All right, continue onward. Open this up. Got some more hot hots. Let's see as far as pets. Can we buy a pet here? 90 for saplets. So let's go ahead and buy saplet. And then let's see what level saplet is. Hopefully saplet is level 1. Saplet is level 1. That's awesome. So we can go ahead and add saplet here. And then saplet will continue to level up for us, which will allow us to save our gold for other ventures. And there we go.
Valiant effort, my wizard sidekick.
Thank you. All right, candle knight armor. Not quite now.
You didn't know I could cook, huh? Yup, there's more to Slurpee than meets the eye. But I need to know what the queen actually likes. I know. Go talk to her guards, Mike and Hank. If they don't know, nobody will.
Mike and Hank. All right, let's go. And I don't see any monsters right now. Any corrupted pets. So let's continue on down here. And Mike and Hank are going to be right outside of the guard room. So we'll come on down. All right, we're going to get into a battle right here with this Cloud Nibbler. All right. Prodraxis is a little bit scary. Cloaker got hit pretty hard. We have a Cloud Nibbler as well. Since 80 divided by 8 equals 10, then 10 times 8 equals 80. That's asking about the multiplication division fact family, so it's just understanding the relationship and showing it. Okay, so we're going to see if Cold Snap will do anything here, because Saplet is pretty much useless at this point. Boom. All right. Got a couple misses there. And then let's see what Flash does. All right. This would be ridiculous luck if we were able to pull this one off. Boom. All right, get him next time. Okay, so for this battle, I am going to go ahead and switch my wand out. That's Swipe. Tinders. Brush. Maybe we'll keep Mule Nice, and then we'll go ahead and switch our Relic to Petal Shower. Green Gust. We'll wear that. I believe that's a second round attack. So we'll have to wait one round before we can go ahead and use that. And there's only 2 this time, so good. All right, so what's times 5 equals 15? 3 times 5 equals 15. Oh, it's a first round. That's cool, but it's random, so let's see if it hits. It does not. 98 there. We have to wait for one turn recharge. Julius has 3 bags with 4 marbles in each. Lisa has 3 bags with 6 marbles in each bag. How many more marbles does Lisa have? Well, 3 bags with 6 marbles in each. So 6, 12, 18, or 3 times 6, 18. And this is a 2-step word problem. And then Julius has 3 times 4. That's going to be 12. And then we have to subtract to find the difference, which is going to give us 6. So what we have to do to make that easy is think about what we need to do, and then go ahead and try our best to sort of get there. All right, let's see what happens here. Boom, that's gonna hurt. All right, so we're just gonna do, let's actually do is Cold Snap. Hopefully it lands on you, Tempest, which it does. That should finish him off. It doesn't. Wow, shocking. Hopefully our Aqua Burst hits. It does. Good, good, good. All right, I'll get Green Gust this round. That's a fumble. Fantastic. Then I'll get All Out Attack after. A group of 8 people are ordering pizza. Each person wants 2 slices. And each pizza has 6 slices. How many pizzas should they order? All right, so each person wants 2 slices. Each pizza has 6 slices. So 8 times 2 is going to be 16. There are 8 people. Each wants 2 slices, so we need 16 slices. Now, each of the pizzas has 6 slices. So 6, 12, 18. So we need 18 pizzas. To order 18 pizzas, and 6 times 3 is going to be 18, which would be more than the 16 that you need. Oh. So let's see. 8 people are ordering pizza. Each person wants 2 slices, so 16. Each pizza has, how many pizzas should they order? If there is a remain, oh, I put 18 instead of 3. Ha 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 ha. Check the question to see what you're supposed to be doing. All right. Green Gust, there we go. Boom. We'll have some more fun experiences like that the higher we go with the math, so enjoy it. This is showing 1, and then there are 6 different parts, so 1/6 is what we are seeing right there. And when you get something wrong, it is not a big deal. Do not worry about it. Happens all the time in life. If you're not making mistakes, then you are not learning fast enough. Not fast enough, but you're just when you learn, you make mistakes, and that is okay. And so make the mistakes, learn from them, and that's the best way to learn. There we go. All right, so now we're getting a little bit more XP. There we go. Continue onward. Mike and Hank, where are you? All right, we have a Lumiat here. Wow, 2 Lumiats and a Wick. What do we want to do here? 5 times 7 is adding 7 5 times. Adding 5 groups that have 7 things. All right, so let's go ahead and hopefully this will hit our Wick here. That should take him out. It does. So we're down to 2. And then we're going to try Aqua Burst and see what that does over here. And then that'll determine what we're going to do next. All right, not too bad there. All right. I hope this finishes you, Lumiat. Let's see. It does. Awesome. So we're in a good position here. As long as 1/8. So this is 1/6. This is 1/2. This is 1/8. There's 4 on each side. So visually it's easy for me to see because there are 4 on each side. All right. So hopefully Cuddlefin, your tail whip hits. It does. I don't know if we're in a position where we can finish you off, but you fumble anyways. So we got lucky with that Green Gust. Josh's friend had 36 tin cans. If you divide the number of tin cans Josh's friend has by 4, that's how many Josh has. Josh has 9 cans. 36 divided by 4 is 9. If you multiply how many tin cans Josh has by 7, so 9 times 7 is 63. What has Josh been doing with his cans that his friends have so many of? All right, and then let's see what Starbit does here. Not quite enough, but that's okay. We're good. Hopefully this lands. It doesn't. Whoa, that was close. Let's just be sure here. Let's just be sure. How much damage? 471. Awesome, awesome. All right. We learned to thump. All right, continue on, and looks like we completed 2 quests. Let's see. So you did the 500 pet stars. We got that done now. So it was weird that they stopped loading. That was very strange. Collect that, and then season 3,600 pet stars, and then Shadow and Storm. Shadow, I don't think it's possible for me to finish, but Storm, we'll get a Storm pet when we have some. Let's see. I don't think there's actually a Storm pets in here that we can purchase, so we'll need to be purchasing. So, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll get it sorted. Let's come on up here.
You want to cook a meal for the queen? Not a bad idea.
It isn't, is it?
Her screaming is starting to get on my nerves.
Oh, no, Mike.
She loves turnips. Can't go wrong there.
Sounds good.
I'd give anything for a pair of earplugs or ears.
The life of a slime is a tough one, Mike.
Valiant effort, my wizard sidekick.
Thank you. All right, 200 gold.
Oh no, not turnips. They're super rare here, and the royal collectors are the only ones allowed to pick them.
Oh, no.
I only need a couple. Maybe you can convince them to give you some?
Sure. All right, let's head on down. And we're coming on up. All right, we're going to come over here for the royal collectors. Here's the worker slime.
Dear me, this is an unfortunate situation.
Indeed it is. All right. So we will be good here. 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. Multiplication, remember this is part whole. The whole for multiplication, like addition, is going to go at the end in 3rd grade. And then the parts are going to be here and here. So we just have to put the 5 into here and then the 40 over to there. So 5 times 8 is going to give us 40. Woohoo! Let's do that. All right, write the number as a fraction. Write the following whole number as a fraction. So 9 and 1. 9 over 1 is equal to 9. Woohoo! All right, and then if Aquaburst lands, then we are all done here. Let's see. It does. Fantastic. The battle is over. Dun dun dun. Continue.
Oh my, thank you for your help. Here, please take this small token of my appreciation.
Thank you. We have the turnip. All right, we have to wrestle with this ashlet. Boom. Let's do that. Green Gust. It hits. And if Aquaburst hits, then this is over with. It does. Awesome, awesome. All right, 10 battle stars. We have a bell. Nice, let's continue onward.
Oh my, thank you for your help. Here, please take this small token of my appreciation.
Thank you, Worker Slime. And the turnip.
Valiant effort, my wizard sidekick.
Thank you. All right, you have Slurpee's dish. Looks pretty good.
Well, it took lots of effort, but I'd say this quest is nearly complete. Slurpee the Great and his wizard will save the kingdom with turnip stew.
Yay!
Now, all you have to do is bring it to her. Easy as turnip pie.
It is indeed. All right, let's head on down. And come on down here. And then around and up. And in.
What do you think you are doing?
Oh no.
Bringing a dish to my queen. Usurper, fiend, this is my job.
Okay, buddy, sorry.
If I cannot feed the queen, then she will not eat.
Cebollini, Carpaccio, what are you doing here?
Hey, where do you think you're going?
Across the slime.
We get tricked a lot, don't we?
Yes, we do.
Here we go again.
Indeed.
Valiant effort, my wizard sidekick.
Thank you. 200
Why
gold.
can the royal chef make his own food for the queen?
I don't know.
Oh, right. Well, I guess it was kinda your fault he got fired.
My fault.
But either way, we need to get that dish back. If only you could walk across lava.
I know, seriously.
Hey, all you have to do is find the boots of Hot Walk. They're in a chest, but legends say that only a fire monster has the key.
Oh no.
So, head out there and defeat the fire monsters.
All right, that is where we're going. We are going to go and defeat the fire monster. Let's swing on over here. All right, well, come on up. And the fire monsters are over here for the key that we need. All right, so we have 2 pucks here. And 2 pucks there. Here a puck, there a puck. Boom. Alright, Mitch's dad wants to try and save money on gas, so 750 liters of gas. And he used, how much gas did he use in total? So we're adding up 750 plus, have to figure out what we're answering here. 750 plus 200 is going to equal to 950. Ooh. All right, and let's go ahead and toss a green gust. There we go. All right, look at the green highlighted portion of the line. What fraction does it represent? So from here onward, that would be up here to 1. This would be 1/8. 1/4 is another way to say 2/8. And so this would be starting at 1/8 going to 1. That would be 7/8 of the line. Woohoo! Okay, we're going to try Aqua Burst up here for this puck, and let's see what happens. Not quite enough. Okay, which fraction strips are equivalent? So equivalent is the same, which with fraction strips an equivalent fraction takes up the same amount of space. So 1/10, 6/10 is equal to 3/5. Ooh. And we'll do Thump over here, see if we can finish you off, Puck, which we can't. Alright, that's a hit there. And so we're just going to do Starbit over here, make sure we finish you off. And then hopefully Cuddlefin can finish off this guy. Let's try Multi-Splash. I think that's our best bet if it does hit, which it does. That's awesome. Battle is over with. Dance party. Awesome. All right, let's continue on. We're still trying to find the key here. That's the quest we're going on. All right. Boom. And let's see. Are these two fractions equivalent? You can tell that 1 over 1 takes up much more space than 3/5, so no, they are not. And we'll start out with our green gust here. And then we'll see if Cuddlefin finishes this off. So what fraction do these fraction strips represent? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Well, it's also what it's equivalent to 1/2. 6/12 is equivalent to 1/2. All right, Aquaburst, go get him. Please hit. It does. Battle is complete. Woohoo! All right, Saplet has leveled up there as well. We have the key. That's an awesome key. All right, continue.
Valiant effort, my wizard sidekick.
Thank you, Slurpee.
I bestow upon thee the gift of fire.
Woohoo! All right, we have the strong fire relic now.
Yep, that's the key, all right. Now, the chest should be pretty easy to find. The hard part is the guardian.
Uh-oh.
That's what they call the guy who guards it. Clever, huh? Don't worry. Should be a piece of cake for our wizard.
Sounds good. All right, let's come on over this way. And here we are. We have a Smoldash to battle. Let's see what happens here. Smoldash and then a Flaria. I think we've got this. Alright. Flaria's going to go next, and Cuddlefin is still in it, so that is good. Cuddlefin is going to be sort of our savior here. Good, we're hitting Smoldash, so hopefully we'll be able to finish... Oh, that was a big hit. I was going to say, hopefully we can finish up Smoldash, but it looks like we'll be able to if that hits. Good. And then Flaria isn't as... doesn't have the power capacity, so are these fractions equivalent? You can see that they're not. No, they're not. When you have a visual aspect to it, it's very easy to see if they are or they aren't. We'll thump you. There we go. All right. And then, what fraction do each of these shapes represent? It equals 1. This is 1 or 2 over 2. 2 over 2. This would be 3 over 3, because the line is broken up into thirds. Are the fractions equivalent? Yes, they are. Ooh. Alright, so Cold Snap, it's not going to do a lot of damage, but did some. I probably should have gone to Starbit. Represent 4/4 using the 8 fraction strip. Alright, so 4/4 is the whole bar, which means we're going to use 8 of these. That's 4. You can see that's half of the bar. So 4/8 is equivalent to 1/2. And then 8/8 is equivalent to 1 whole. Woohoo! Alright, Multi-Splash, please hit a couple times. All of them, nice. And Saplet for the win. Way to go, buddy. Woohoo! Nice. Leaf Spiral has been learnt. Alright, continue. Now we have to get the Boots of Hot Walk here. Uh-oh. The Guardian. Fire Creator. So if Cuddlefin hits, this will be over pretty quickly. Green Gust. There we go. And then Aqua Burst. And awesome. Okay. Cuddlefin is going to be max level after this next one. I'm going to have to decide what I want to do. Alright. Looks like we triggered the battle before the battle... we triggered the battle before the battle loaded, so we're doing it again. Not Saplet, no! All right, 4, 6. Yeah, 4, 6 would be how it was divided. There we go. Green Gust. Boom. Got a critical there. That's awesome. Micah has a fish tank that holds 81 liters of water. This is division. 81 liters of water. He fills 9 smaller tanks to divide the water, which would equal 9 liters in each smaller tank. Ooh. And there we go. Boom. All right, so yeah, max level there. We'll have to take a look at our stars and see how they're progressing. Continue. And then let's take a look and see. It's probably gonna be like 90 or 130. So yeah, that's not gonna happen. Okay, so we're gonna come back over here. And then I think what we're gonna try to do is buy another pet if we can. And so that we can continue to this leveling up process, working on getting more of these. 165 is what we need to go ahead and get Puck. So we'll get Puck in just a little bit. A few more battles. And the Boots of Hot Block. Awesome.
Valiant effort, my wizard sidekick.
Thank you, Slurpee. 200 gold.
Well, it's time for revenge. Slurpee the Fab and his almost equally fab wizard friend against the fiendish chef.
Oh no.
Now that's a quest, right?
Sounds very questy, dude.
Of course, you'll be going alone. I got more important things to do, like planning and stuff.
Sure. All right, let's go. So I am going to keep Cuddlefin in my grouping here as I head off over, just to hopefully help me defeat this. And then I'll have to work. You're faster than me now. Wow. And then I'll have to work on taking a look at the stars and stuff. So that was a pretty big hit. That was a big hit too. That was a big hit. I think actually once we finish this next battle, let's see, Matcha has, she spends it on new furniture, so that's a subtraction sentence. And so as we subtract this, we are going to have to do some regrouping here. So let's go ahead and write this out. I don't think we've seen subtraction regrouping. Yet. So let's go ahead and do 561 minus 255. And we can't do 1 minus 5. So we're going to take one of the 10s from this, so that would be 50 left over. Make an 11. 11 minus 5 is going to be 6. 50 minus 50 is 0. 300 minus 200 is 300. So 306 is going to be our answer. And then Manjit then buys a new pet for 189 gold coins. Now, how many coins does she have left? So we're starting at 306, and then we're going to subtract 189, and then we're going to see what is left over. Now, the only one that makes sense is 117. I don't really have to do the math. I can also see that 16 minus 9 would be 17. Would have a 7 in the ones place. So that's really the only one that logically fits. So if you go ahead and do that, that whole process of elimination, then that can be very helpful. It looks like we are going to lose this battle, though, probably. So and we got a fumble there, which is good. That, however, is not... We still have one more round to survive before the AoE. I don't know... If Green Gust hits, it might finish off our burn nuke, but it's not going that way. So let's see what happens here. Got a fumble, so I think we're good. All right, pretty big hit there. Are the two following fractions equivalent? Yes, 4/8 and 2/4. They're on the same points on our line. So yes, they are. They occupy the same amount of space. And all out attack. Woohoo! I normally don't rely on my all out attacks as much. All right, there we go. Okay, and we will continue onwards. Now, this is the last battle, so let's swing on over here.
What? How did you get over here? You are slimeless.
Hey.
No matter. This dish will never see the light of day. On guard.
All right. You are unguarded. All right, 57, so goodbye, Saplet. All right, so 4/8 and the two fractions are equivalent. I'm going to put this as one. Right, any missing fractions? 1/2. 1/2. There we go. Yes, they are. The fractions are equivalents. Woohoo. All right, please hit Aqua Burst. We need you. Awesome. And then we're going to throw Green Gust at him. Okay, so we're doing all right here. Okay, Cuddlefin will be able to go at least one more time. Multi-Splash, please land a bunch. I needed something better from you, Cuddlefin. Okay, used 1,000 liters of gas. This year, her dad used 500. How much gas did he use last year? Over the past two years, 1,000 gas minus 500 gas this year equals 500 last year as well. Woohoo! Alright, so we are going to do Starbit here. 111. They hit me, which is awesome. Cuddlefin's going to get one more attack. Hopefully it lands. Write this division sentence as a multiplication sentence. So remember, we have our parts. We have our whole. The whole goes over here. The parts go over on this side. And sorry for the colors being the same. So it's going to be maybe 2 divided by. Oh, that's so. This is the 2. That's the 1. 1 divided by 2 is equal to 2. What am I doing? 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. My goodness. Okay, so oh, sorry. You know, I was still doing division. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. My goodness. Make sure you follow those instructions. And things like that happen when you do insane amounts of math over and over again for days in a row. So, yeah. Mistakes are good. They help us to learn. Goodbye, Cuddlefin. I don't think we have our all-out attack, so I think it's gonna... Oh, we do have our all-out attack. Goodbye, Cipollini. 250 cards. She buys 100 more cards. So our hundreds place value is going to go up by 1, which is going to be 350 cards. Yan then buys 300 more cards. So 300 is going to go up by 300 more, 650. So when I see the 300, I'm only manipulating the hundreds column for the place value, not really changing anything else. And there we go. Cipollini is defeated. Woohoo! Dance party. Nice. All right, let's continue onward.
I must admit, You have not just bested me in a battle, but also in the kitchen. Your cooking, it is exquisite.
Thank you, Cebellini.
That dish of yours, I must have your recipe.
You'll have to talk to Slurpee about that.
Well, actually, we didn't cook it.
Then you must bring the chef to the queen. She will demand such a talent in her kitchen.
Okay.
Valiant effort, my wizard sidekick.
Thank you, Slurpee. The casting candle. Not now?
The chef wants me to meet the queen? Wow, what an honor.
It really is.
I hope he's still not mad about the whole getting fired thing.
We'll see. All right, let's open this box up. 15 hot hots. Come on over here, and it's time to see the queen.
Your Majesty, I present to you your new chef, Slurpee.
Yay!
What? This little slimeling? Is this a joke?
'Tis no joke, madame. Here is but a taste of a talent.
All right, let's see if she likes it.
Cebellini? Why, Cebellini, this is even better than your turnip stew.
Oh my goodness, poor Cebellini.
It is decided then. Slurpee, you will become the new royal chef.
Wow.
What? But you only know how to make one dish.
Poor Slurpee.
This is way too much pressure.
Understand. All right.
I think what he is trying to say is that Slurpee wants to become my new apprentice in the royal kitchen. Of course, I would need my job back.
Well, I haven't eaten in hours, and as long as you don't break the royal rule again.
Huh.
But of course, never in my life, madame.
All finished. Let's head back, okay?
Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and return to Slurpee, and it brought us back. That's cool.
Maybe if I study as the chef's apprentice, I can learn more about being a chef before I have a lot of responsibility.
That sounds like a good plan, Slurpee.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
I bestow upon thee the gift of fire.
Yay!
And now that you've proven you're worthy, I can give you this, the bonfire gem.
Thank you, Slurpee. All right, powerful fire relic and the bonfire gem. That is awesome. All right, so we are completed here. We are about a little over a third of the way through our third grade skills, and we now can go to the Dino Dig Oasis. We've completed these 3. We still have these 2 left over. I don't know if I'm gonna have to start a new account or not in order to get all the way through all of the skills, but that might be something that happens. I am gonna take a little break. I need to buy the membership just so I'm focused more on playing, and this is a little bit more enjoyable and amusing. I'm pretty sure that the magic coins are going to get a tweak to make it a little bit more easier to play through. With the magic coins, I think are perfectly fine. The pet leveling, though, with that block really doesn't allow you to progress very far at all. So I'm not going to don't want to struggle anymore, so I'll be back with just a really quick time and gonna buy a membership for this month for this account so I can finish these walkthroughs in an amusing way for you guys. All right, so we are back. Hopefully this will make it a little smoother of a walkthrough. The main focus for me is the walkthrough here with you guys, so I do want to make sure that I am focusing on that. That's right, I only have this one. So I want to make sure that I'm focusing on the skills as much as possible as we play through. And I do fully expect for there to be a sort of work around or at least an update with how this is. I have a couple ideas. I'm probably going to do a video on it either later today or the day after to just sort of talk about that. It's really cool that members can now get the deep sea funk eel as well. I really like that. So, okay, so let's go ahead and continue on and go ahead and get some pets. I believe I can level up some pets now. Let's go ahead and take a look at our wish coin or our magic coin situation. So I have 120 magic coins now, and it's not quite enough to buy someone. That's going to be extremely useful, but we're going to go ahead and continue to just keep our magic coins here. We'll add you, Deep Sea Funkeel, to the team, and then we're going to move on to, I believe we're going to go to Shipwreck Shore is going to be the next area that we go. Actually, let's go ahead and do Summerfest and see if we can get any Summerfest. So this is going to be the Summerfest intro right now. All right, so we go about Summerfest items. We got all of the Summerfest items from the store. And let's go ahead and come on over here to Lamplight Town and see. Here we go.
Well, you look like a fresh pair of gills.
Thank you, Athena.
You seem confused. You definitely must be new.
You think so?
Welcome to Summerfest, a festival celebrating all things summer.
Thank you, Athena.
We Merlings usually stay in the underwaters of Shipwreck Shore, but each summer we come out here to host Summerfest.
Awesome.
I'm Athena. I run the shop here, full of rare goods you won't find anywhere else.
Very cool.
That one over there is Koi. They run the Wheel of Sun during Summerfest.
Awesome.
And over there you'll find Mizu and Mist. I suggest going to them if you want to change up your style.
Sounds great. Uh-oh.
Hey! Shoot!
That's right, get out of here.
Sorry about that. Those pesky creatures have been sneaking around and stealing food from the festival. Say, I've got an idea.
What's your idea?
If you can keep those creatures out during the festival, I'll reward you with sand dollars.
Ooh, that sounds good.
You can exchange sand dollars with any of us Merlings for goods and services.
Sounds great.
Monsters also seem to drop them in battle, so feel free to bring those to us too.
Will do. All right, let's go ahead and spin our wheel. And hopefully we'll get some sand dollars, and then we'll see strongest armor we can pick up here. We have quite a few though. We got the Morph Marble Fathom. All right, let's spin again. And Sharky, we're getting Sunworks. All right, not now. See you later. And so we spun with Koi. Let's go ahead and see if we can pick up an apple pot here. All right, and then come on down this way. And up this way. And then over here. Let's stop in here and see as far as how we're doing with these coins. We have 45 coins. This is going to be a heart bonus. Let's go ahead and buy the Dividile token. We'll wear that. And then as far as this is multi-splash, don't really like that. We are going into Shipwreck Shore. Alright, I think we're okay with those. And where is our apple pots? I bet he's by the statue. Oh, there he is. I love when he's by this pool. I think that's like a really fun place. Looks like he's just sitting there having a blast, and we come along and sorry, buddy. Alright, so we are going to start out with our Cold Snap, and it's probably not going to be enough. It's not, but who's up next? Saplet is up next. Alright, Tanya is doing a science experiment that requires 7 grams of sodium. How much sodium will she need if she repeats the experiment 7 times? So we're making a multiplication. Here, each group of the experiment needs 7, so 7 times. 7 times 7 is going to be 49. Woohoo! And let's thump them. There we go. Awesome. Yeah, as far as the pet leveling system for right now, I think what a really cool idea would be that would still allow non-members to evolve and then to eventually evolve some of the other pets. We got all of this stuff. That's awesome. Awesome. Cool. So we have all of that stuff now. Is to make certain pets 0 magic coins to evolve. And so I kind of feel like having the let me just quickly go over this. I know this isn't the focus, but it's in my brain. These guys here, the Neeks, to have the Neeks be, you can evolve straight through to the creators. They're not great pets, but they're okay pets, and then that will allow you to gather magic coins over time, and then choose who you want to evolve after that. I think that would probably be the fairest way to go ahead and do that.
Hey, you!
Hey, Eve, how are you?
The name's Eve. Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you too.
You must be the prodigy in training that everyone's talking about.
We're doing our best.
This means that if you pass my test, I'll give you my Warden Keystone, just like the other Guardians on the island.
That is awesome.
You'll be one step closer to stopping the Puppet Master.
Sounds great.
Ever since the Puppet Master returned, the sea people have reported spotting an ancient monster lurking just off the coast. I want you to find out if this monster is real, and if so, defeat it.
You've got it, Eve. We will do our best.
But first things first, you'll have to spend some time underwater if you're going to complete this challenge.
Sounds good. Let's head on under.
In order to do that, you'll need to locate a breathing bubble so you can go underwater.
All right.
Just head east, then north. You should find one near the wreckage. Bring it back here and I'll get it working for you.
Thank you, Eve. All right, so you have to find the breathing bubble technology, and we're still going to be getting into every battle that we can get into, just so we can focus on our questions as we play through. I might have to create another account. We will see. All right, got another hit there. What is the best estimate? So we're doing estimates for volume of a toilet bowl. A toilet bowl, which should be 5 liters of water. A jug of milk should be 1 liter. And then the total volume of a toilet bowl and a jug of milk should be 6 liters. If you mix the two, don't drink it. And let's go ahead and... Okay, cold snap. There we go. And then Spark Sphere. Good damage there. We're going to need some misses and some fumbles here. Good. Wow, double fumble. Alright, so Green Gust it has to be. Okay, we're chiseling away there. What is the best estimate for the mass of a go-kart? I'm going to say a go-kart would be 2,000 kilograms? Yeah, or 200 pounds. That's about right. 200 kilograms, which would be 400 pounds? What is the best estimate for the mass of a small sailboat? Let's go with 300 kilograms for that. So I'm going to go for them together, 500 kilograms. There we go. Let's see, and we'll do Spark Sphere. Hopefully we get something. Okay, we did not get a critical. So 2.2 pounds equals 1 kilogram, I believe is correct. So, ooh, they came after me hard, didn't they? All right, and then we're still going to finish you off, which this will do it. There we go. We got a miss. We're going to get another miss. And nope. And over and done with. All right, we will get them next time. We will. All right, so we definitely need more magic coins even with the membership. Let's go ahead and take a look here and see, though, as far as our magic coins. So 120 magic coins. Let's look at our pets that we have and see if there's something that we can level up. I don't think that's enough to catch any of the pets that I would use at the... Let's see. Alright, so we kind of want to... Let's see here. 190. 30 for... Crook... Only 30 for Crookfane. So that might be a doable way to go ahead and do that. Ideally, we would be going for this guy right here, Shivertusk, but that's 190, which I don't think we're going to be getting anytime soon. Let's take a look here and see. So we're going to be getting 60 here, which would be 180. And then 60 all the way to level 22, which I don't think you can get to level 22 quite yet. So we will probably have to go and, geez, I don't know. I don't know what to do here as far as our pets. Let's take a look here, because we do have to have better pets to go ahead and make it through here. Cuttlefin, how much are you? You're 130, so yeah, I wouldn't invest in you. Shardik, let's see you. 55, let's do that. Alright, we'll evolve Keeper. And then let's see if we can just evolve one other. Making the tough choices here. Scoville, I don't think so. We'll just keep it at that, and then go ahead and put Keeper in, add Keeper to the team, and then that'll give us a little more survivability. There we go. All right. So let's see. 2/3 is going to be the same as, it's equivalent to 4/6, so that's where it belongs on the line. And I'll take a bite out of you. There we go. 4/6 is equivalent to 2/3. Ooh. And I think I want to do Cold Snap here. Let's see. All right. All right, so 322 toys to donate. They donate 210 to the shelter. Minus 200 or 211. And then that is going to give us 111 toys. So the company collects 213 more toys, so 111 plus 213 is going to be 324. Woohoo! And so basically with that, we're just focusing on what the question is asking us, and then doing that, finding the information as to what we're going to do is the part that can be a little bit on the challenging side. Alright, let's see if Hail Shards hits everybody. We should be just focusing on the River Caller, which we are. And we'll go ahead and send Green Gust at him. There we go. Alright, Floyd is inviting 2 friends to a party, and each friend will get 10 cookies. How many cookies does Floyd need to get? Inviting 2 friends to a party. So it just says the friends. So let's go ahead and do 2 times 10 equals 20. He doesn't mention himself, so I assume that he's just worried about his friends having cookies. If each box has 5 cookies, so we have 20 cookies we need. We're going to divide that by the boxes. So each box has 5 cookies for how many are in the box. So he needs to pick up 4 boxes of cookies. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and thump him. And our next hit should finish this off. Goodbye. And the perimeter, so we already did perimeter. This number is a little bit larger. So 34 times 45, that is going to be 979. And you have to, not multiply. 79 times 2 is going to give us the 34 side and the 45 side twice. So that's going to be 18. And then 158. So 158 centimeters is what it's going to be. And Iceberg will finish it off. Nice. All right, here we go. Multi-splash. All of the rewards here, and then let's go ahead and see. I think I got a quest for evolve one of your pets, which is a weekly quest, which is awesome. We're starting to get some storm spells as well, so that is great. All right, we have 2 Flickflits. Boom. Right? Let's just bite you. I'm going to clamp down on you. Here we go. And then the perimeter 174 plus 105. That is going to give us 279. Then we have to multiply that by 2, which is going to give us an 8 in the ones place. 9 times 2 is 18. So 558 is going to be the answer. 279 is just these 2 sides. You have to multiply by 2 to get the rest. Woohoo! All right, and let's go ahead and do Green Gust. Okay, we're looking pretty good here. The perimeter of this shape, 186 plus 216. Write these out. So this is going to be 12, regroup. This is going to be added to the hundreds place. This is 402 times 2. I know that that's going to be 804. Ooh. And we're going to try our thump here. Is that enough? Not enough. No. Not a fumble. And fumble. All right, so perimeter, again, this is going to be 139 plus 272. Remember, perimeter goes around the outside, so we're figuring out how much across it, how around how long it is. This is going to be 11, so 4 down here. This is going to be 822 when we multiply it by 2. So 822 is our answer. Woohoo! And Iceberg will finish you off. There we go. And then Starbit will finish you off. Awesome. And there we go. All right, let's get all of the rewards. And we'll make our way up. All right, we have a Growl right here. It's like a bird convention, isn't it? All right, let's go ahead and take a bite out of you. Then all I'm going to be interested, 852. So 852, these two are going to have to add up to 6 in order to be 852. This one is actually too large because we're going to have to regroup, which would be 900. This one is going to be 7 plus, that's 16, so that's doable. This is going to be too much. So this is 600. Let me just go ahead and do half of it. So 600, or 6, and then 15. 456 is going to be too large. That's going to be 900. So B is our answer. So sometimes finding the right answer, you can go ahead and focus on what is the wrong answer. All right, then I'm going to save my green gust for these other guys, which should be a 1-hit if we make it there. Oh, they're only level 33, so good. Got the fumble. All right, so 14 yards is going to be 8 plus 6, 14. That's going to be what that is. This is 10, 6 plus 4. This is 8, 2 times 4. So there we go. And I don't know if Iceberg's going to finish it off, but it should pack a punch. It did pack a punch. All right, Green Gust, let's see what it does. It goes to the right place, should finish him off, 524 damage, that's awesome. And another fumble. All right, we're just gonna clamp down on all 3 of you, and then the battle is over with. Woohoo! All right, Stance Party. Alright, so let's go ahead and get all of the rewards, and then we're going to come on over here, open this up, and then after that we'll go ahead and head on, click next here, get into this battle with Flickfoot. Alright, boom. That's a pretty good hit there. So what is fraction represented? So that is 4/8. That's 4/8 is equivalent with 2/4 and then also 1/2. So if you're simplifying, then that would be down to 1/2. All right, we are going to throw this Frost Spear at our Saplet and see if we can finish Saplet off. Not quite. Which tool is best to measure a long distance? Thermometer, measuring beaker, or measuring tape. Measuring tape would be better for a long distance, and let's just go ahead and throw a star bit at you to finish you off. There we go. All right, let's see, 150 milliliters is what the volume of the liquid in the beaker is. I think that's new from the last time I've done this. All right, got some good damage there. Boom. Goodbye, goodbye. And Green Gust should finish this off, I believe. There we go. Awesome, awesome. All right. So here we go. We're continuing to work our way. This is 3rd grade skills, just to remind you, let's go and open this up before we open those up. And be sure to like, be sure to subscribe. It is really helpful. We'll be doing this again with our 4th grade skills after we finish this. All right, so we got a mimic instead of the chest. 8 times 0 is 0. And we'll clamp on you. I'm pretty sure that's weak, but it's a pretty powerful attack. 1 times 6 is 6. And Starbit, I don't think it's enough. We'll have to see, though. It is. Nice. Alright, and let's get all of our rewards. And we have to still collect one more bubble, and there it is. Nice. There's our breathing bubble.
You did it! Way to go, kid!
Thank you, Eve. 200 gold.
All right! Now the adventure can really begin.
Fantastic.
There's an archaeologist around these parts. Goes by the name Jelly Jim.
I really wish Jelly Jim had like separate roles or like a weekly quest or something like that. I really like Jelly Jim.
He spends so much time in the water. There's no way he'd miss a giant monster, if there is one.
True.
Go chat with him and see if he knows anything about it.
Will do, Eve. Thank you. All right, we're gonna open this up just to get in the battle here, and then we'll continue on down. And let's start out with Frost Spears here, see how that does. 147, pretty good. And then we're just going to finish up with Starbit. So we didn't get any questions out of that, but we are getting experience, which is awesome. That'll make the rest of the game easier for us. All right, and there we go. Let's get all of the rewards, and then we have some Tweety Birds to fight. So let's battle these Tribeak Squawks, and then this looks like an Arbites. Goodbye, Deep Sea Funkiel. Got some hits in there. Uh-oh. All right. So let's go ahead. 2 times 6 is going to be 12. And I'm gonna go for you. And then we should be okay with this one. We are gonna probably need a couple of misses here. A couple of misses or fumbles. Hopefully that takes care of Arbite. It does. Awesome. We need some fumbles. Oof. Did not need that. Alright, we got the fumble there. So I don't think Cold Snap is going to do much, but let's see. Let's finish him off, please. Yes, awesome. Alright, please miss. No! Alright, we'll try this battle again. We will get him next time, that's right, Newt. So I have to get one more, let's just check this out here. You're 30, and you're fully leveled. Pets, that's 50. You know, Cloud Gobbler is a pretty solid pet. I think I'm going to go ahead and buy Cloud Gobbler and then equip him. And then he's durable. So I think we'll go ahead and switch over to Cloud Gobbler here. Add Cloud Gobbler to the team. And then he will level up all the way straight through. So for he's probably the best value that I've seen as far as pets. With magic coins, so. Alright, got some hits there. We'll have to get him leveled up first, but that is okay. Oh, so we are in multiplication. 6 times 4 is 24. And we'll take a bite out of you. That way Green Gust will probably finish anything off. 7 times 5 is going to be 35. Woohoo. And let's see. Boom. And 4 times 6 is going to be 24. We'll see 1 for each of these numbers. Storm Globe. And that, wow, still around. Nice. Okay, so Iceberg should finish this off, I believe. Nice. All right. And we will get all rewards here. Come on up over this way. If Cloud Gobbler is only 30, that's actually quite a nice non-member friendly pet. And there we go. Okay, so we definitely need some storm going on here. 3 times 7 is 21. And I'm going to bite you. Okay. And then we'll do Green Gust. Oh, close. Alright, you're pretty weak, so let's do Storm Globe over here. And that's enough. So just don't hit me and we're okay, guys. Or him. Wow. That hurt. I told you not to hit me. Alright, let's see if we can get rid of you and then maybe get a fumble. 219. And let's see. 8 times 0. That is 8. There's nothing inside of any containers. There's nothing to grab. Okay, finish him off, please. Ah, so close. We need some fumbles and some misses. Ouch. Okay. We're not out of it yet. I've got to do the AoE here. 9 times 5 is 45. With Hail Shards. There we go. And goodbye. We will get him next time. Alright, let's come on down here. Alright, that hits. So... we'll bite you first. And then the growing or shrinking, the numbers are getting bigger by 10, so this is a growing pattern. Ooh. If it's shrinking, they're contracting, they're getting smaller. Alright, there we go. You're still around, that's good. 24, 32, 40, 48. It's going up by 4s, or by 8s. So 56 is going to be next by 8s. And let's go ahead and make sure we finish you off. 100, we're doing 100 damage now, so that's good. Alright, you're gone. Miss. Let's see where that lands. No, it's not going to be enough. It's not enough. Need a miss here. Fumble. Okay, good. And then our Cloud Gobbler rested. I guess there's a one-time delay there. If I make it to the next round, 10 times A equals 90. A is going to be 9. 10 times 9 is 90. So A is the missing number in the equation. Hopefully we hit. Alright, we're going that way. And then let's see what happens here. Got another fumble. Okay, this has a 1 recharge, so we rest when we're resting to get your magic. Someone just explained that on the wiki, so that is nice to know. Let's go ahead and do all-out attack. And there we go. Yeah, this has been really fun going through these. 3rd grade has a whole bunch of content. Dance party. Woohoo. All right, we'll get all of the rewards, and then let's head on down, and Jelly Jim is right over here.
Well, hello there. My name's Jelly Jim. What brings you to these parts?
Hello, Jelly Jim. How are you?
Hello, I'm Newt. Pleasure to meet you.
All right.
Eve sent us. She said that the local people saw an ancient monster swimming around here.
Uh-oh.
Do you know anything about that?
If you do, please let us know.
Now that I think about it, I do recall seeing some sort of large, terrible creature floating around. Just the other day, in fact.
Uh-oh.
It looked like it could have been the old sea monster that the evil Order of Influence used here a long time ago against the pirates. Whatever I saw was close by, no doubt. Oh, and one last thing. Here's some gold to help you on your journey. Best of luck.
Thank you, Jelly Jim. All right, 200 gold.
Let's search the nearby areas Jelly Jim mentioned.
Sounds good, Newt. All right, come on up here. Let's go over to here. Level 65. What level are we? 61. Okay. Hello, Sydney of the Sea. Boom. All right. Round 73 to the nearest 10. So if it is, if the ones place or whatever level you're rounding to is 5, you round up. If it's 4, you round down to the next number. So for here, 73 is going to round down to 70 because we're looking at the tens place. Woohoo! And there we go. Nice damage there. I think my starbit... Okay, so this is by 2. This is going up by 2, so 700 is going... It's evens. It's going to be the next one. Starbit should finish you off. I hope it does. Oh, no, it doesn't. But that's okay. 41 plus 28, since this is us showing 69 is going to be the answer. We're looking at the fact family here. All right, we have to launch Storm Globe at our Sarazag just to get that damage in there. Goodbye. Keeper. Oh my goodness, wow. All right, we're going to take you out. That changed pretty quickly, didn't it? All right. And we're 1 round away from an all-out attack. Oh, yeah, so we are subtracting. We do have to regroup here. So what I do when I regroup is I try to figure out which column we need to start manipulating the numbers from. So 2 doesn't go into 3, 6 doesn't go into 7. So 9, the 900 has to become 800. So we can do 160 minus 70 is the 16 minus 7. That is 990. And then, oh, you have to regroup that though. So that's 15. So that's 8. It's been a while since I've done this. 12 minus 3 is 9. So 89. And then that was 9. 8 minus 6 is going to be 2. And then everything else is fine. So it's 6,100. 600. Oh my goodness. 610,289. 610,289. I've been talking so much I forgot how to speak that. Ever happened to you? Alright, here is Green Gust. Oh, 6! Are you serious? Got a fumble there, so let's go ahead and do all out attack because we can. Man. There we go. Alright, alright. Up to level 8 here for Cloud Gobbler, so that's great. And we'll get all of the rewards now. And then let's come on over here. And trying to get these questions in as much as we can. And enjoy the battling. Well, we are getting wiped out here pretty quickly, aren't we? Alright, 7 cases of water, 7 bottles in each case. 7 times 7 is going to be 49. There we go. Alright, and so let's try to get you done, Shade. And then if we are able, we'll move on to the others. Round to the nearest 100. So for hundreds, since hundreds is what we want to find, we have to use our tens place to determine if it goes up or down. We're rounding down or we're rounding up. 0 is, of course, going to be rounding down. So 908 is 900. All right, and we're just going to go ahead and launch this cold snap and see where it goes. All right, and it did not go where I wanted it to, but that is okay. No! All right, we are not going to be making it past this round, but that is a-okay. All right. So let's do this Green Gust and see where it lands. All right. So we're not out of it yet. Let's see if we get a fumble or two. That's not good. That also is not good. One more round. We have to survive one more round. Complete the multiplication sentence. All right. So the number of groups, there are 4 groups times the number of stars per group. 3, 6, 8 in group. 4 times 8 is going to be 32. We can count the individual stars if we feel like it. Woohoo. Hopefully this... Nope. Going for that. My cold snap really likes that guy up, but it's enough. Okay, so please, please, please fumble. Oh, man, so close. We almost made it. Yeah, we will get him next time. All right, we're going to make our way around here. And then River Caller, be kind. Okay, boom. That's a pretty big hit there. And no. All right, we did, that was not the best. Emil's family ordered 1 pizza that is cut into 4 slices. Complete the multiplication sentence below to show how many slices of pizza there are in total. So the 1 pizza, 4 slices means there's 4 slices to eat. All right, so this is all electricity. So I think we're just gonna try to bite this guy. If we can get one of them down, flit, we should be able to finish him off, which is awesome. I'm gonna do Green Gust. If that doesn't hit him, because they all went before us. If that doesn't hit him, then it'll do some good damage. And then we now have our Cloud Gobbler. Mattia has 2 friends that play Prodigy. Each of their friends has 8 old socks. 2 friends times 8 old socks equals 16 socks, 16 old socks all together. You can have an old sock party with those numbers. Here we go. So we are just going to finish off this flick flit, which will hopefully make the next round easier. I thought we were in good standing the last time we did this, though, and they hit hard. So he's gone. Hopefully we don't lose somebody else. Got a fumble there. Cloud Gobbler is resting the next round anyways, but hopefully I can finish off one more. All right, so we are using distributive property. If you don't know how to multiply 6, then you can break apart 6 into 5 plus 1, and we're going to be showing that down. So 1 times 5 plus 1 times 1 is going to equal the same thing. And so this is going to be 5 plus 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 is our answer. And Cold Snap, go get him. Finish him off, please. No. All right, we're resting. All right, can we get a fumble? Yes, awesome. Thank you. And here, let's see. So he's not resting. I'm just going to do Green Gust because Cloud Gobbler is going to go ahead and be able to pick off this guy, our River Neek. There we go. All right. And now we have our all-out attack. Start at 76 and subtract 5 each time. 66 to 61. And then we're going to go to 56. And then we're going to go to 51. Woohoo! All-out attack. And boom. Goodbye, Cloud Caller. River Caller. There we go. We gained a spell. Awesome. All right, we get all rewards. And then let's try this level 65 and see how we do. It's only 2 of them, so that's a big hit. And so pattern rule, so 15 to 21, 20, that's a plus 6 rule. 22 plus 6 is going to be 28. 96 plus 6 is going to be 102. 123 plus 6 is going to be 129. Woohoo! All right, I think that we can finish you off. I should have actually done the ice because that would have been stronger. Pretty quickly here. One more hit. All right, not bad. And then 123 to 93, that's minus 30. 115 to 85 is minus 30 as well. So 122 is going to be 92. 112 is going to be 82. 106 is going to be 76. Woohoo! And Storm Globe. There we go. All right, fumble. My Frost Spear is enough to finish off him. There we go, Mimic is gone. And then, so this is going to be 910 we put in here. And then this is going to be 920. And our 913 is going to be closest to 910 if we're rounding to the nearest 10, because we're focusing on the tens place. So the ones place is going to determine which way we go. All right, Green Gust. Here we go. I don't think this is going to do it, but it's nice that we have another spell to toss out. All right. And this one is in the bag. All right, so the 200s, this is going to be, this is 6,800. And then this is going to be 6,700. 6,750 to the nearest 100. So that's going to round up to 6,800. Because 5 and above go up. All right, and so we are just going to go ahead and do iceberg. Boom. There we go. Dance party. Nice. All right, get all of the rewards and then come on over this way. And let's get in this wizard battle here. That misses, that's good. We are battling Chester Copperpan. Chester Copperpot is the pirate from the Goonies. So this is a little homage to the Goonies. Who do we want to go for? I think we're going to go for Chester Copperpan. All right, Starbit towards Chester Copperpan. There we go. That hit lands. Oh no, you're already gone. I miss you already. Yeah, we're gonna have to try this battle again. Alright, so this is gonna be 9. Oh, this is, I guess, 3 times 9 equals 27. Woohoo! Using grids like that is really, really helpful. Arrays are very, very helpful to sort of see and organize the 6 times 4 is equivalent to 4 times 6. The multiplication. So, helpful practice to do. All right, there we go. That hurt. Fumble, we needed that. All right, we have to decide what to do here. I think we're gonna go for you. And then hopefully we'll have something hit this squabble as well. Is it enough? No, it's not. All right, we need some luck here, which we did not get there. We got the fumble, but we needed a fumble a little earlier. All right, 6 times 1 is going to equal 6. All right, Frost Spear, it has to be. And that's enough. So a bunch of fumbles here because we are weak to fire. All right, 4 more fumbles and we'll have this finished. Ice is not going to be useful against our Singed Newt here. So we have to have 2 more of those, which we're not going to get. Oh, but he hit with that, so that's good. 1 times 80, it's an identification statement, so that equals 80. All right, let's do Iceberg here. 131. If we get a really good bite, then we might be able to do that, but that is going to wipe us out. We will get him next time. I think I'm going to come back for this wizard here. So let's come on over this way. All right, we have 3 Flick Flits. All right, another attack here. And another one there. Let's start out with our AoE. Hits everyone. Alright, so we have 2 groups of 6, 7. 2 times 7, this multiplication we're doing. equals 14. Breaking it apart and really understanding that there is a relationship to actual things when we get into abstract math is extremely helpful. So I like activities like that. There we go. And complete the multiplication sentence. There are 2 clowns at the parade. Each clown is holding 5 balloons, so that is going to be 10 balloons total. And let's do Spark Storm and see what happens here. Alright, didn't do anything, but that's okay. We're in a good enough situation, we probably won't lose this battle, but we'll have to see. Wanted to see the effect that would have on both of these guys. Got a fumble there. So we will do our Cold Snap. That should finish off one of them. There we go. And now Storm Globe should finish off this guy. It does. Awesome. So there we go. Get all of the rewards. 30 yards. Come on up this way. Alright, got a couple more here. Oh, we actually have a treasure track completed, so we'll click on that and see what we finished. Might be the storm spells. I think we're starting to work through the storm spells now that we've got Cloud Gobbler. Alright, what times 4 equals 16? 16 divided by 4 is 4, so 4 times 4 is 16. Alright, we'll just go and do our hail shards and see what they hit. There we go. And then, alright, so we are subtracting 44 minus 25, which means we have to regroup. So this is going to be 3. 3 minus 2 is 10, or 30 minus 20 is 10. And then this 4 is going to become a 14 because we are regrouping one of the 10s as into the 1's column. 14 minus 5 is 9. Woohoo! And let's go ahead and throw Green Gust and see what happens there. That was enough. Awesome. Nice powerful hit there from Naughty. And we are subtracting. We definitely need to regroup for this. So the 8 is going to become a 7, which makes this 13. We still have to pull, so 13 becomes 12. And then that becomes 11. We still have to pull, so the 11 becomes 10. And we have 14. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. 10 minus 3 is 7. 14 minus 9 is 5. So 4,875 is the answer. Working this through is very important in 3rd grade. We shouldn't be using calculators for that. Understanding how the math moves is extremely important for higher math. And, okay. So let's hope this lands on Naughty and it finishes them off. I don't know if it'll finish them off, though. It doesn't. Okay. So, got the fumble we needed. That's awesome. And so this Storm Globe is going to finish off Flick Flit. Nice. And then whatever I throw at him should finish him. This is moving by 6, so 312, or by 3s, sorry. So 312 is the next one. And here comes the Green Gust. Boom. All right, there we go. And we are moving on. Looks like we have 2 quests that we completed. So dailies, weekly, we earned 1,800 pet stars, which is awesome. We're getting close to the storm spells. I don't think I have anything that's shadow yet. I might need to, weeklies are going to be here for a little while. I might need to go through and do a play of Crystal Caverns, though, after this round, because we can get the Winston von Lutz, his weapon. 3,600 pet stars we got there as well, so that is awesome. That jumped up really quickly. Must have been some sort of issue with it not recognizing. So 40 more storm spells, so we have 16 left for that. We can evolve a few more pets for some more, and then let's go ahead and collect that, and then collect that. And let's see how many of our wish coins we have. So 75, not wish coins, magic coins. So we'll have to see what we can do with those. All right. And another hit. Okay, so we have each time we're going up by 10, you add 10. And that's what we're doing with that pattern. So let's see what we can do here. I think what we're going to do is we're going to clamp down on this flick foot, and then that should allow our whoever lands on the flick foot to go ahead and finish it up. All right, there we go. Nice. That worked out well. And then I don't know if Cloud Gobbler is going to get another chance to go, so I am going to go after the River Neek. 798 minus 612. Since this is the same, remember our hole goes over here. It should be like a little circle there. And then the parts split up into here. So we don't need to know. We don't have to do any math. This is just understanding the logic of math, and we just have to type in 186. That trains our brain to sort of like look for the puzzle in math, which math is sort of like a puzzle-oriented subject. So I'm glad I did that. All right, so let's try to finish you off here. Not quite. And so this is going down by 3s. It's a descending pattern by 3, so 11 is going to be what fits into there. All right, so Starbit will finish River Neek off, which means we only have one baddie left. And we'll finish up Squally. And he'll try to finish off us. Okay. So this is 1 times 5 plus 1 times 3. And we are doing equivalent expressions here. Our answer is going to be the same if we add those two results. Frost Spear. 202, we got a critical, nice. And let's go ahead and do Cold Snap. I think that'll probably finish us off. Not quite. Okay, we're still in control here, we're okay. And Clamp should finish this off. There we go. All right. We have a Frost Spear learned now. Fantastic. Let's get all rewards. All right, coming on over here. And we, look at that. Crookfang. Alright, that hit was a little harder than I would have liked. That hit was much harder than I would have liked. And so if a train departs at 4:45 p.m. and arrives at 1:20 a.m., how long were the passengers on the train? Alright, so from 4:45 to 1:20, only one of these makes sense. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. all of these hours, it would not be 3 hours and 25 minutes. It would be 8 hours and 35 minutes. Woohoo! So we really don't have to look at the, what do we want to go for here? I think I'm going to start with, I want to start with gear sight here. And hopefully I'll get lucky and our, this will land on it. All right, so we do not need to regroup this. This is going to be 111. Just straight subtracting down, 111. All right, and fingers crossed we hit gear sight here, because it should finish them off. There we go, awesome. We definitely needed a little bit of luck. So this is going to be regrouping, but you don't have to regroup this from here. We're regrouping from the tens place, not the hundreds place. This is going to become 0. 17 minus 8 is going to be 9. So our answer is 209. Woohoo! All right, so I'm actually going to do Sparkstorm AoE. Hopefully it hits all of them. It did not, but we got one hit in, which is good. And got smacked there. And goodbye. Alright, we need some fumbles next round to finish this up. I still have 2 more rounds before I can do my all-out attack. So it's not looking super great. But I think that Storm Globe will hopefully finish that off. Are we strong enough to do that? No, we are not. Man, whew. Goodbye, goodbye. So we're doing this one again, I'm pretty sure. All right. And this is going to be 410, subtracting on 400. 20 minus 10 is 10. And then 2 minus 2 is 0, so 410 is going to be our answer. All right, please hit everybody. Nice. Okay, we need a lot of fumbles here. We got 1 fumble. All right, this is ready now. Storm Globe is not strong enough because we're only level 18. Need another fumble. Nope, we did not get that fumble. We will get it next time. That's right, Newt. All right, so let's go ahead and come on up over here. And try one more time. All right, that hit landed. So 125 minus 17. So we do have to regroup, but not all the way over. So 2 becomes 1. 15 minus 7 is 8. So this is going to be 108. 108. Woohoo. All right, so we do have, yes, we have some different things we can do here. Let's go ahead and start off with that. That's a nice strong hit. And then I'll go ahead and do my iceberg thing here. You have 90 cupcakes for your school bake sale. If you all have already baked 74 cupcakes, how many do you have left to bake? This is another regrouping, 90 minus 74. Revel in how beautiful my letters are, or my numbers are. We're going to take a 10 from here. We're going to regroup it over to here. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 8 minus 7 is 1. And so 16 is our answer. Woohoo. All right, hopefully we get lucky. We hit this bash bot. And we don't. There we go, that hits everyone. Hopefully we get some fumbles here. We definitely need the variability of attacks. And let's see, you need to get on a train at 10:20. If it takes you 40 minutes to get to the train station, what time do you need to leave your house? All right, so we have a clock here. 10:20 would look something like this, with this being 10 o'clock. This is the 4. Which is 20 minutes into the hour. Let's put our little, not quite a circle there. Looks Salvador Dali. And so in order to figure out when we need to go, we have to go back in time. So we're going counterclockwise. 40 minutes. So this would be 20 minutes, and then we have to go 20 minutes further, which would be down over here. And at not 10:20, but 9:40. 9:40, we go back in time. And that's when we need to leave. All right, so let's see what Frost Spear does. Hopefully we can finish off you. No, we can't. All right, nice hit there. And I think we have to finish you off so we have less things hitting us. There we go. Okay. So now we are going for you. Fishbowl. Miss, miss, miss. Oh no. Okay. Now this green gust has to hit Cogmite for us to do this. Witch clock shows 143. This is 140, so you have to go up 1, 2, 3 for it to be 143. That is 143 right there. All right, so please hit Cogmite. It doesn't. So we have to survive 2 attacks here before we can get our all-out attack. All right, so hopefully we get a fumble. If we get a fumble, we're good. We get a miss. We missed once, so that is awesome. There we go. We win this one. That is fantastic. That's awesome. That's what we needed. And goodbye, goodbye. All right, so we are actually getting towards the end of our 3rd grade curriculum. If you enjoyed this and want to see the 4th grade curriculum, please do hit that sub button. Please hit the like button as well. It's extremely helpful for the channel and for other people to see it, which means that I'll see that you are enjoying this and want more of this. So yeah, these will be our last couple of battles that we're going to do here. 850 minus 500, they give us this handy dandy little thing that I'm not going to stay in line for. Let's make a circle out of there. 850 minus 500. So you can see we don't have to regroup. So that's going to be 800 minus 500 is 300. 50 minus 0 is 50. 0 minus 0 is 0. So our answer is going to be 350. I hope you enjoyed all those little dots I put all over the place. Okay, I don't know what I want to do. I think I'm going to bite you. Now, these guys can hit pretty hard. So, 280 minus what equals 80? Well, since our tens place and our ones place are exactly the same, it's just this number is what we're subtracting. So, 200. Woohoo! And let's go ahead and throw Green Gust, see what happens. That would have been great if it would have hit the top one, but that's okay. We should be able to survive. All right, good. We're good. We're good, we're good, we're good. All right, so you're going to finish him off. There we go. And then, I don't know if this is going to finish him off or not. We'll see. It doesn't, but that's okay. That is A-okay. All right, so expanded form. I love expanded form. This is subtraction with expanded form, which is a little bit odd because of the pluses, but we're subtracting down along here. It gets a little confusing for here. So, but 800 plus 50 plus 0 equals this number. 200 plus 50 plus 0 equals 250. 800 minus 200 is 600. 50 minus 50 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So our answer is 600. Woohoo, so we subtract down, but there are the adding across. Let's go ahead and clamp onto him to finish this off. And there we go. Get up to level 21, so I'm feeling a little bit better about Cloud Gobbler's sustainability here. And let's go ahead and head on down.
What is this stuff?
I have no idea,
no.
Newt.
I don't think we can go any further. Maybe Eve will know what to do.
Hopefully she will.
You did it! Way to go, kid!
Thank you, Eve. Admiral's boots, nice. Not now, we'll have to see how fast they are.
Black goop while trying to search for the monster.
Without knowing for sure what we're dealing with, we won't know how to deal with it.
That is true, Eve.
Can you grab a sample of the black goop for me to check out?
Will do. All right, come on over here.
Yep, that's definitely monster ink. Just as I thought.
Uh-oh.
You're going to need a sonic blaster to get through that stuff.
Sonic blaster, here we come.
Fortunately, any sailor worth their sea salt carried one with them. The sick you should.
Oh, sorry, it clicked past that.
This is your trial, not mine. Sorry, kiddo. You'll just have to find one yourself.
Man, Eve.
Once you find it, bring it back to me and I'll make sure it's in working order.
Sounds good.
I know you can do it.
All right, let's head on up here. Look at here, and let's check right here. The Sonic Blaster, nice.
You did it! Way to go, kid.
Thank you, Eve. And we have 200 gold.
All right. The next task ahead of you is to clear out that ink with the Sonic Blaster. Give it your best shot.
Sounds good.
Keep your guard up, kiddo. If the Puppet Master's behind this, who knows what's lurking in that ink.
That is true. All right, let's blast through this. And here we have a Mimic. All right. We get to go before these guys, which is good. We're going to do Frost Spear here. Try to finish off some of these Mimics before we go to there. Okay, so we are still subtracting. This is regrouping. 7 does not go into 8, 1 does not go into 6. So we have to regroup from here. So 6 is going to become 5 because we're regrouping one of them over to here. The 11 also has to be regrouped to 10. So that we can have 17 in that column. So our answer is going to be 5 minus 2, which is 3. 10 minus 6, which is 4. 17 minus 8, which is 9. So 349. So we focus on one part, and then we sort of move over to the other parts. Hopefully this does it for us. It's enough. Nice. Goodbye, buddy. Okay, looks like we're doing okay. Not 100% certain, but it looks like we're doing okay. Okay, so this is decomposition, which remember, what's expanded form, expanding it out, and then decomposing it. So subtracting one at a time. So 250 minus 200 is 55. And then we're going to the tens place. 55 minus 30 is going to give us 25. Then the 6. 25 minus 6 is going to be 19. Woohoo! And iceberg. Boom. All right, now this starbit is definitely going to finish this off for us, which is awesome. There we go. All right. And I think I should clamp on you. I think I should bite you. Alright, and then Green Gust will finish this off for us. The subtraction rule. These are going down by 1, so it's subtract by 1 is our subtraction rule. And Green Gust, there we there we go. Boom. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, get all the rewards. And then one more battle, probably. So we might save that last little bit. Come on up here. We might save that last little bit. That was a good hit. for our 4th grade skills. Subtract by 9. 672 minus 9 is going to be 663. So when you subtract by 9, the tens place and ones place, the tens place goes down by 1, and the ones place goes up by 1. So 72, the 7 becomes a 6, the 2 becomes a 3. So for 680, the 8 becomes a 7, the 0 becomes a 1. So I know it's going to be 6, 7, oh, have to be in the right box, don't I? 671. There we go. All right, so we don't have any ice weaknesses. We're going to go ahead and do Frost Spear, though, to Florius. And then we're going to do Green Gut. Oh, actually, no. Snoots can hit pretty hard, so we're going to go ahead and do that. All right. That hurt. We might be doing this battle over again. This has 4 sides. And this signifies that we are finished with our 3rd grade skills. So we are done with... Let's try Frost Spear with you. With our 3rd grade skills. So join me next time for 4th grade skills. We're going to finish this battle, see if we can. If not, then we'll save it for our 4th grade skills. But hopefully, fingers crossed. Oh man, that was not good. All right, this is a triangle. All right, there we go. Fumble, fumble. All right, that's not good. Fumble, fumble. Not good at all. Okay. So we are going to end our 3rd grade career here with, this is going to be a square tilted on its side, with some fumbles and a lost battle, but that is a-okay. We are getting stronger here. That bite is not actually going to work on you. There we go. And there we go. So, hope you had fun with this walkthrough. I'm going to be making a video probably a little bit later about how to balance out the level up. And we'll be back here with our 4th grade skills very soon, where we are going to be finishing up Shipwreck Shore, and then probably going into Crystal Caverns, I'm going to say. I want to check out and see Shivertusk, and then also just work on kind of leveling the pets up a little bit as we go. I might change it up, though, and go straight over here to Skywatch. We'll have to see. Going to play it by ear and see how it all works out. But thank you for joining me for this. I hope you enjoyed this. I definitely did. And we'll be back with some more Absolute Prodigy. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subbing. A lot of fun stuff is coming up here. We will see you next time all. Take care. Bye-bye.